11-in-1 compact ice cream maker. One-touch operation. Diverse recipes. Customizable. Compact design. Creamify technology. Easy to clean. The recipe ingredients. Pour half of the cream into the enamel pot. Add cocoa powder and stir evenly until it melts. Add chocolate chips and stir well until they melt. Pour in all the remaining creams. Stir to make it mix evenly. Filter it using a strainer. Pour the milk, sugar, and sea salt into an enamel pot and stir them together. Once the mixture is slightly heated, add half a cup of warm milk to the beaten egg yolks and stir well. Then pour it back into the pan and stir until it turns into a creamy paste. Pour it through a strainer. Add 1 drop of vanilla extract, then stir it evenly. Pour the mixture into the ice cream churning cup and freeze it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. 11 functions, diverse choices, simple panel, easy operation. The integrated cutter shaft design eliminates the risk of blade detachment. Just press the 1-key switch to open the stirring cup. The integrated cutter shaft can rotate forward and backward, creating a more uniform and delicate texture. Add nuts. Select mix-in and stir the full cup. It is better to dig the ice cream into shape after freezing the well-stirred ice cream for 2 to 4 hours. Savor rich chocolate ice cream made by our advanced, easy-to-use machine, ideal for businesses and dessert lovers. Seeking the best in quality. Inquire now.